Good morning everyone. Myself Sheetal Pawar. I am BSc Computer Science first year student. I am here to explain you about C++ first program Hello World. Firstly, we will use two header files. What is header file? Header file is a collection of function and keywords. Every header file has its unique function. IO stream means input output stream. .h is an extension and .h means console input output. Void main wait here. Now void main. Void main is used for main function in a program. Curly bracket cout. Cout is used to print the program. Here we will print hello world. Cout is an insertion operation. Get ch. Now we will close our program. Our program is completed. Let's compile it. It is successfully compiled, no error. Let's see our output. Hello world. Thank you for watching.